Are you interested in boosting yourself by being loved by everybody you are surrounded? You are definitely beautiful, but are you good looking in others' eyes as well? Hi, I'm Shrujna and I'm here with a magical tip to lose weight and gain confidence. Take few pumpkin seeds and make it into fine powder. Mix that powder into the lukewarm water and drink early in the morning before you start to hit your day. The benefits of consuming this water boosts up your energy and definitely to lose weight and helps to manage sugar level.